So the next thing we want to do for the part 2 of the experiment is we're going to be looking at the viscosity of different motor oils. That's probably something that you've seen before in when you put motor oil in the car, is they have different weights of oil is what they call it. So is that different viscosities? And if so, what does a higher number mean? Does that mean that it's has a higher viscosity or a lower viscosity? So we're going to look at 2 different motor oils. We're going to look at a 5W20, and then we're going to look at a 75W90, is it? I can't see it from over here. Okay, and let's see what those numbers have to do with viscosity. So what do you think? Is the 5W20, is that higher viscosity, meaning it resists flowing more, or is it a lower viscosity? Okay, so I've put 2 equal amounts of oil in my right hand here. I've got the 5W20. In my left hand, I've got the 75 weight. And we're going to do the same thing. And I'm going to put them on the tray at the exact same time, and we'll see which one has a higher viscosity. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. We're timing it. It's really close. We're at 15 seconds. Can see that this one was the 75W, and it is going just a little faster. And that is 30 seconds. Okay, so compared to honey, the motor oil definitely has a higher viscosity. This is the one you poured, right? Yeah, that's the... So this one was the 5W, and it had more of a resistance to flow than the 75W at room temperature. So that's kind of interesting. How far did it flow? The 75 weight flowed 16 centimeters, and this one flowed about 15 and a half. Okay, so this is going to be the second part of your, you're going to type it, or write in the type of oil. The first one was the 5W20, and in 30 seconds it went 15.5 centimeters. And the other one was the 75W90, and it went 16 centimeters. Okay, so when you turn in your lab, make sure you have the front page filled out the same. You're going to fill in your graph based on this data, and then you're going to answer these 2 questions. Okay, and then you will be done with your lab. Bye-bye.